show you guys the supplies that I'm going to be using, and everything that I'm using I already had in my stockpile, minus this drum lampshade. I actually found this at Habitat for Humanity for $1 today. So I've been waiting to find one of these, and finally I did. Also, I have this Dollar Tree basket. I'm not going to use the actual basket. I'm just going to use the chain, and I spray painted it metallic silver. Also needing this light bulb socket cable. Also black. I spray painted it metallic silver as well. This will run you a few bucks. I've had it for a couple of years just sitting there. And some diamond wrap. I went to the Dollar Tree. I went to 3 Dollar Trees, and what do you know? They actually don't have any silver kind. So luckily, I have this huge roll of bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. I didn't pay anything for this. Natalie with Totally Dazzled was kind enough to send this to me a long time ago. Obviously, not everybody's going to have this, so you guys can always count on the Dollar Tree, hopefully, to have that diamond wrap. So now I'm going to use my tools of glue, hot glue, my hot glue gun, some pliers. So here I am, like 2 days later from when I originally started this thing. And as it is like me, I changed my mind on what I wanted. Truth be told, I wasn't like super excited of the end result of this lampshade. I'll show you guys right here. I wasn't too fond of the way this came out, so I completely changed my mind. I'm going to be using the same materials that I showed you earlier, with the exception that I'm also going to add these little gems that I already had. I went to Joann's to try to find some more, but they were so expensive. They were not on sale like they were, and I actually could not find the same ones. I found some in pink, but I didn't want pink, and so I have these. I'm going to make it work. So I took it apart. As you can see, I have like glue and crap all over that. And I might regret this later, but I'm gonna go ahead and take off the lampshade off of the frame. Ooh, I don't know why I just did that, but I'm doing it. Too late now, I can't change my mind. Can't change my mind. F. I feel like this is what I should have done from the beginning, but I was stupid. So basically what I'm gonna do is take my bling wrap, and again, you guys can probably find the rolls at the Dollar Tree. Since my Dollar Trees were all out of the silver, I am going to go ahead and use this Totally Dazzled one. So I'm just going to take the strips, not lengthwise, but longwise. And I'm basically just going to take enough to cover the frame like that. The rolls from the Dollar Tree are 9 feet long. They come in different widths. So you can find the ones that have 5 rows and then other ones that have 3 rows. So, and they're all 9 feet. So more than likely, if you guys can find the ones with the 5 rows, that'll probably be easy. Because you'll get more coverage per roll. I'm just gonna start here. And then I'm gonna put the glue on the top of the frame and fold the bling wrap over it. Just like that. am going to take a strip of the bling wrap and put it right over that crease right there, just to give it a little extra dimension, and then also to cover the pieces that are not attached. So I'm just gonna go all around and add an extra piece like that. So I'm going to take these little jewels, and I think I have just about enough to go around. So the hard part and the time-consuming part is going to be taking these off the little rings. That's kind of a pain. There's 10 sections, so there's 10 panels. I'm going to take one and just put it like at the end, right on each panel right there. I'm just going to try to open these wide and feed it right through here, and I'm gonna try to do it right in the center, just like that. Okay, so it's just gonna be like that. So there's 4 left with 2 gems on each. So I am going to take some more of that bling wrap, and I'm gonna take a couple of strips. Okay, so I'm going to take a long strip of that bling wrap, and I'm going to have 2 sections on there. And I'm going to go ahead and attach one of the pieces on there. So I'm just going to go ahead and take that little ring and just put it right through. And then after that, I'm going to take that strip, fold it in half. That way it has like the shiny part on each side and not that dull side. So I'm gonna take some glue and just like glue it all the way around. I'm gonna glue it to the top of the frame. That way it'll hang like this. All right, so this is what it's gonna look like after I glue it. So it's just one nice strip. It looks like a chain. Okay, so now that that's done, I made them different lengths. So I'm gonna make sure that I put them on opposite ends. So I'll just go ahead and take these, and I'm gonna glue them right there. That way the same size ones are not on the same side. Oh my gosh, you guys get it. Holy moly, I'm having some issues. Alright, so that's about it on that. Now I'm just gonna put my cable right in there and then attach the bottom part, or the bottom piece. Just twist it on, and then I'm gonna get my chain and put it back on here, and my hook, and then feed the cable right in there. Open a little bit, if you guys can see. Okay, alright guys, so here is the final result. I might mess with it, but for now this is what we got. So it's midnight and I am a psycho because I couldn't go to sleep thinking about this thing. So what I'm going to do, because I don't like how close together it is and empty this is, I'm going to go ahead and take one of these little gems off of each strand, and I'm going to make 4 more strands, and somehow I'm going to go ahead and attach it to where it's more spread out. Let's do this. it for my DIY chandelier. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I literally only spent $8, if you want to get technical about it, on this project. So it was just the lampshade that I purchased, and everything else I already had on hand that I bought months ago. One thing I bought like almost 2 years ago, which was the cable for the light bulb. And then the bling wrap, again, that was from Totally Dazzled, which I will link below. You guys can totally do this on a budget. If you can't find a lampshade, a cheap lampshade like that, which I'm sure you can if you just go hunting for it, you can use some of the embroidery rings and buy 2 of those rings, and then you can actually attach the bling wrap in between and then tighten it, if that makes any sense to you guys. So you can just get creative with it. Obviously you don't have to do exactly what I did, but again, you know, I used what I had, so I didn't have to spend any more money that I needed to. I am almost done with this nursery. I still have maybe a couple more projects to go, and then eventually I'll do the whole reveal, which I'm excited about. It's nothing huge, nothing phenomenal, but I'm excited that it'll finally be done. That's it, you guys. I'm not gonna blabber on anymore. Feel free to share this video, you guys. Get it out there and see if other people enjoy it. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up, leave any comments down below, and I will see you guys on the next one. Time for bed.